Delivering products to highly competitive markets on time and on budget is becoming increasingly challenging. To get ahead and stay ahead, you need to be better, smarter, and faster than your competition. Time to market, cost minimization, and product reliability demands could be overpowering. No matter your challenges, you can rely on Camptech II Circuits to manufacture your PCBs and assemble them with precision, quality, and durability. For over 40 years, we have been earning the trust of designers and engineers for our capabilities, responsiveness, and dependability. Our winning combination of leading-edge technologies and operational capabilities helps our customers overcome production barriers, produce the most sophisticated products, and realize new opportunities and growth. What can Camptech do for you today? Manufacture rigid, flex, and rigid flex metal core PCBs with advanced features such as HDI and via structures. PCB assembly with advanced capabilities including fine pitch devices, high pin count BGAs, package on package, chip on board, fiber optics, RF microelectronics, press fit connectors, pin through hole, wave, and selective soldering, and conformal coating. Part procurement, quick turn prototype PCB fabrication and assembly, chip programming and functional testing, box build assembly. Camptech brings simplicity, reliability, and cost efficiency to your supply chain.